Yeah, I thought I'd do a little short presentation of some speaker which I really, really love. And I mean really love. It's the Soundcore 2 Anker. And I love this much that I got one, two, and one brand one. This is so good that you just can't get anything better under 40 euros, or what is it, something like 45 bucks. If this is enough for you, stop watch the video, but I'm gonna share my opinions about this later. I bought the first one, was it like 2 or 3 years ago, and I thought that I'm gonna just waste my money buying something from China, and it was, I think it was then like 30 euros, 35 bucks, something like that. And when I got it, it just blew my mind. Because I have tried like 2 or 3 or even 4 times more expensive speakers, Bluetooth speakers, and this beat them like nothing. This has so many like good things. It has a 24-hour playtime. It's fully waterproof, and the sound quality. This beast is amazing. I mean, it's hard to even like describe like how good the quality is. I mean, this is so small. You can even almost put it in your pocket. It's so small, and the quality of sound is amazing. Well, let's open this new one. First I thought I'd gonna do a little review of this, but what the hell. Let's just open it and see if there's any changes. Because I really, was it 2 years ago I bought this one, and this one 3 years ago. So if there has been any changes in this model. And I know there's a Soundcore 3 available right now. So, but I don't know. This is, for now, this is plenty enough. I would like to have the Soundcore 3 for test, but like I said, this is plenty enough for me. And I love music. I listen to music like almost every hour when I awake. So I like this is portable. You can take it anywhere you like. I have had this like in my trips in Lapland, where there's like minus 20 Celsius, on my backpacking trips, car trips, beach, anywhere. This thing has handled it perfectly. No problem so far. Okay, so there's the speaker. Nothing new, I think. And one thing which I really like, it's the 3.5 jack, which many speakers nowadays don't even have. And I think this is a good thing you have this. Like if you want to play your guitar through this cable and anything, just plug it in. I don't know why they have not included that in the new models, but it's something I want to have in my speaker. So is there anything more in here? Oh, I think there's no USB cable, or is it? No, I don't think there is. Oh, it's here, of course, yes. Yeah, here's the USB cable, and I don't mind it. This is not the USB-C. This is the old type, but who cares? It works perfectly. There's the manual and everything else. Like I said, the runtime is excellent. Almost 24 hours music. Well, let's do a little sound test. Let's put on some. What would we play? I really like the bass on this thing. That was the first thing I noticed, that the bass is the bass doesn't break. It can handle like really hard bass. Not too hard, but not too extreme. I mean, yeah. Let's pick some music which has some bass at least. Yeah, I'm recording this through my phone, so I hope the mic catches the bass. Increase a little bit the music. Bass doesn't break. Even on this high volume. Yeah, the bass doesn't break even when it's on the higher side of the volume. One thing which I have noticed separate this from the other Bluetooth speaker is that like the podcast, they work really well with this one. Let's take for example some podcast. What would we choose? Let's take some Joe Rogan's maybe.
But I think one of the reasons why these people have this deep-seated anger and resentment is there's a bunch of people out there that have these lives that are deeply unsatisfying. Because I think there are so many people that are working all day long doing something that is deeply unsatisfying.
I think for me that sounds really good. Whenever I listen to podcast, I use this one, and I have, like I said, I have different type of Bluetooth speakers, and I always pick this one. So I have now 3 of these, which will last, because this has I bought this like 3 years ago, and the battery works still really good, no problem. I have dropped these, whatever, but they are still working perfectly. Okay, I think that's about it. Well, one thing I want to say that there's some small thing that has come to the market like lately, and it's really interesting. It's a little bit smaller than this one. I'm gonna do a short presentation like this from it in the future, but yeah, I'm gonna use this, and maybe someday if there's some upgrades on the Anker brand, maybe I choose some Soundcore 3 or 4 or 5 or whichever model comes available. But I heard that in some of the new models don't have this 3.5 jack available, but I think it's a really good option to have in case you wanna plug this thing into some other player and listen to music through this cable. Yes, these were my thoughts about this Soundcore 2 speaker, which is an excellent Bluetooth speaker. The quality and price, they are good. Okay, I hope you have a nice day, and that's about it. Bye.